Looking to update your gender on Twitter to better reflect your identity as male? Let's walk through the steps to change your gender to male on Twitter using your PC. Begin by clicking on the More icon located in the navigation bar. This will expand a list of additional options for you to explore. Next, select Security and Account Access to ensure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your account. Once in this section, navigate to Your Account to access your personal account settings. Now, let's fine-tune your account details. Click on Account Information to delve into the specifics of your profile. Scroll down the page until you locate the section labeled Gender. Click on this option to reveal the available gender choices. Choose Male from the list of gender options to update your profile accordingly. After making your selection, click on Save to confirm the changes. Your gender preference is now successfully updated to male on Twitter via your PC. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure that your Twitter profile accurately represents your identity. Take control of your online presence and make your profile more reflective of who you are. Embrace the opportunity to personalize your account and showcase your true self to the Twitter community.